If the tree fall toward the south or toward the north, in the place where the tree falleth, there it shall be. Ecclesiastes 11:3. We are all spiritual and mental broadcasting stations. There is a silent force flowing from us in every direction at all times. How necessary it is that we assume the role of the announcer and the broadcaster. How necessary it is that we write our own program and deliver it ourselves. When a person speaks into a microphone in a broadcasting station, his words are carried to the far corner of the earth where they are reproduced. But the force that carries them is mechanical. It is a law, a vibration, and it is a law that actually reproduces the words he speaks, the intonations, the inflections. And now, along with this word that is broadcast goes a picture, an image of his personality. This is what we see in television, as though he were suddenly present everywhere. And the picture looks like him because it was his image, his likeness, that created it. And so it is with the reaction of the law of good from a power greater than ourselves. It always tends to bring back to us exactly what goes out. But we are always the broadcasters, and we can always change the pictures if we will.